Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, the ServiceNow Coach. The today's topic is how to add a custom menus for our unified navigation. So what is meant by that, I'll explain here. So if you see all favorites, history, workspaces, admin and demo menu. So these are all called as menus. So demo menu is just vanished because that's a dummy menu which I have created just before shooting this video. So how to add that new one, right? So what you have to do is there's something called unified navigation menus in ServiceNow. Just you have to go there and you have to create one menu there. So first point. Second is just these are the all favorites, history, workspaces, and admin. So these are the current menus which is present in the system. Let's say I want to create one new menu which will be helpful for ITIL people. So let's say ITIL menu. Okay, I'll keep this name as ITIL menu and order I'll keep it as of now there are five. I'll just keep it as, let's check how many are there. So there are five, so I'll just keep it as order as six. And then so visible roles for whom you want to make this as visible, that is also possible. So like I have keeping the name of this menu as a ITIL menu, you can just make it visible for ITIL role, but I'm not doing that as of now. So let's save this record. So there is one related record. So under this menu, what do you want to show? For example, workspaces menu is showing all the workspaces listed over here. But what you have to show in this particular menu? So there's something called unified navigation configurable menu items. So where you have to uh, either you have to select the application or you have to select the module. So as you know, I'll be selecting an application like for example incident application. Okay, I'll be selecting that also. So if you see incident management and just order, I'll keep it as 100 and then I'll just submit it. And then I do also want change application as well under that menu, so which will be helpful for idle people, right? So the 200 is the order, right? So yep, so 200. And now what I'll do is I'll just refresh this page and then you will see that new menu over here. That is what we expect to be up here, right? So let's check. Okay, let me refresh once again. We don't see it. Okay, no worries. Let's check the reason. Like here, six are there already, and here I'm not able to see. Let me do one thing. Let me log out. So sometimes what happens is you need to log out and you need to log in, and then you need to do a cache clear also. So sometimes that is also an option. So let's go here, cache dot do. Okay, that is done. Clear cache. And then let's see there now. So before the cache only I have seen that menu was appeared, but we took some time to appear there. So cache is not an issue actually here. So without the cache.do also, that menu will be appearing for you, which you have created. Right. So let's just wait for 3 more seconds. Okay. It's taking time, that's no worries. Let me do a duplicate of this and let me do this. This is not expected actually, but it's taking a lot of time, which should not generally, but we can't do anything on this because this is a dev instance. I cannot raise it for ServiceNow, that's why it is slow. Maybe a cache.do had triggered flow in the system which is doing that part. So let me go to incognito then, right? So let's go there. Let me log in there. Yeah, so yeah, it is appeared. So as of now, you can see there is one menu called idle menu under which you can see incident and change application. So this is what all about menu items, that is called as unified navigation menu.